Moen offers a wide range of showering valves to fit the needs of every homeowner. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a 3/4 inch ExactTemp tub shower valve using copper tubing. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench, copper tube cutter, thread seal tape, plumber's putty, caulk, tape measure, thermometer, and safety glasses. You may also need to purchase some plumbing materials. Before getting started, shut off the main water supply. Step 2. Install the ExactTemp thermostatic and volume control valves. We recommend positioning the center of the thermostatic valve 48 inches from the floor. Start by measuring 48 inches from the floor and install a crossmember. The plaster ground should be flush with the finished wall, so make any necessary adjustments. Attach the thermostatic valve to the crossmember with 2 screws. We recommend positioning the volume control valve 8 inches from the thermostatic valve. Cut 3/4 inch copper tubing to length. Solder a 3/4 inch male to 3/4 inch copper adapter onto both ends of the tube. Wrap thread seal tape clockwise around each adapter. Thread one end into the bottom of the thermostatic valve and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Before attaching the volume control valve, make sure the arrow symbol on the valve is pointing in the direction of the water flow. Thread the volume control valve onto the tube and secure it with an adjustable wrench. Step 3. Install the tub drop outlet and the shower riser. Measure and cut the appropriate length of 1/2 inch copper tubing for the tub drop outlet. Solder a 3/4 inch male to 1/2 inch copper bushing onto one end and a 1/2 inch male to 1/2 inch copper adapter to the other end. Wrap thread seal tape clockwise around both ends of the tub drop outlet. Thread the 1/2 inch male to 1/2 inch copper adapter into the top front connection of the twin L. Then thread the other end of the tub drop outlet into the volume control valve and secure it in place with an adjustable wrench. Install a crossmember behind the volume control valve and attach it with screws. We recommend positioning the 1/2 inch 90-degree drop ear elbow 78 inches from the floor. Measure and cut the proper amount of 1/2 inch tubing for the shower riser. Solder a 90-degree drop ear elbow onto one end and a 1/2 inch male to 1/2 inch copper adapter to the other end. Wrap thread seal tape clockwise around the adapter. Then thread it into the twin L and secure it with an adjustable wrench. Make sure the 90-degree drop ear elbow is facing forward. Install a crossmember behind the elbow and attach it with 2 screws. Next, wrap thread seal tape clockwise around the valve plug and thread it into the top of the valve. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. Step 4. Install the lookout and the hot and cold inlets. Cut at least 6 inches of 1/2 inch copper tubing for the lookout. Solder a 3/4 inch male by 1/2 inch copper adapter onto one end and a 1/2 inch copper pipe cap to the other. Wrap thread seal tape clockwise around the adapter, then thread it into the twin L. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. Measure and cut 3/4 inch copper tubing to length for the hot and cold inlets. Solder a 3/4 inch male to 3/4 inch copper adapter to one end of the short inlets. Wrap thread seal tape clockwise around each adapter and thread them into the valve. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. Attach the long inlets with a 3/4 inch copper 90-degree elbow and solder the remaining connections. Then, install brackets to hold the tubing in place. The last step is installing the trim and calibrating the cartridge. Slide the flange onto the short end of the shower arm. Then wrap thread seal tape clockwise around the threads. Apply plumber's putty to the flange. Thread the longer end of the arm into the wall opening until it's snug, and push the flange to the wall. Thread the shower head onto the arm and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Next, install the tub spout. Measure and cut the lookout, which should be 1 3/4 inches to 2 1/4 inches in length. Apply sealant around the lookout to prevent any leaks. Slide the tub spout onto the lookout upside down and thread the set screw until snug. Rotate the spout to its proper position and tighten. Remove and discard the plaster ground and protective cap on the thermostatic valve. Also remove the protective cap from the volume control valve. Notice the markings on the temperature stem. This indicates the 12 o'clock position. Rotate the temperature stem counterclockwise to the 12 o'clock position. Push in the stem and rotate it counterclockwise to the 9 o'clock position. Turn on the main water supply. Rotate the volume control stem counterclockwise to start the flow of water. Use a thermometer to test the water temperature. Rotate the volume control stem clockwise to turn off the water. If the temperature is 120 degrees Fahrenheit or less, no calibration is needed. If it's higher, calibrate the valve to a lower temperature. To lower the maximum temperature, rotate the temperature stem clockwise to the 12 o'clock position. The stem will pop out when you reach the proper position. Continue rotating the stem clockwise to the 2 o'clock position. Hold the stem while you unthread the screw. Pull the stem slightly from the valve, rotate it counterclockwise to the 12 o'clock position, and put it back on the valve in the new position. Tighten the screw to secure it in place. Test the water temperature. If it's still over 120 degrees Fahrenheit, repeat the process to lower the maximum temperature. Place the large escutcheon over the thermostatic valve. Slide the small escutcheon over the threaded collar of the temperature handle and thread it onto the thermostatic valve. Make sure the escutcheon is aligned before final tightening. Thread the red manual override button into the handle opening until it's flush. Do not over-tighten. Insert the decorative cap. Slide the small escutcheon over the threaded collar of the volume control handle and thread it into the valve until tight. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing an ExactTemp tub shower valve with copper tubing is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.